Stop cold messaging if you are a network marketer, because I'm going to tell you quite honestly, it does not work. Getting into people's DMs without even knowing who they are and asking them if they're open to learning about your opportunity is not the best use of your time. And what I wanted to share with you today is how I've recruited hundreds and hundreds, probably close to 1,000 people in my network marketing business using two different methods. So if you're brand new to me, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves, bring their business online through social media, more importantly through YouTube. And what I want to share with you are the two strategies that I have used in order to be successful and hit the top ranks of my company. And so the strategies that I teach you are strategies that work today because I'm actually in the field building alongside of you, and I just want to share and help you as best as I can. All right, so first of all, I get a ton of questions of how do you prospect? First of all, the way that I prospect is probably very different than what most people do in this network marketing space. And I recruit 80% of the time over here on YouTube. So if you want to learn how I recruit on YouTube, I'm going to put for you my masterclass in the description of this video so that you can check it out. But basically what I do is I put out content like this and I find people that are searching for my company and my company's opportunity. So what you have to realize is there are thousands of people every single month that are searching for your company's flagship product, your company's opportunity, and I've been able to show up on YouTube. I put a link for them to connect with me over on Facebook, or I have a landing page where I direct them to so that they can find out information about me and my company. And what that has done is it has allowed me to recruit hundreds and hundreds of people without sending cold messages. So when I first got started in this network marketing space, I would send a ton of cold messages. And I know that there are some amazing trainers out there in this space that do recommend cold messaging. Me personally, it didn't feel authentic, right? It didn't feel natural, and it made me actually hate network marketing. It felt very, very spammy. So I would go and I would, talk to my waitress, or I would go and I would talk to my barista, and I would ask them, are you open to taking a look at what I do? And it just felt very awkward. And so then I tried doing it online. That felt really awkward as well. And quite honestly, I got ghosted all the time and I get reported for spam. Right? So I was like, okay, there has got to be a better way than to send cold messages, yet still be really, really effective in your recruiting strategies. And so what I did is I started to build over on YouTube. And now I have people coming to me every single month asking me if if I could share more about their opportunity. They're super duper excited. They've watched my videos. And so these are very warm, hot leads because they are people that were specifically searching for my company. They've watched all my videos, so they have that like, know, and trust factor, and they're sending me a message. And so my close rate with that is probably close to 90% because they are literally actively reaching out to me, and I don't need to do as much of that reach out as I used to have to do because I've got people coming to me. Now I've recruited 10, 11, 12, 13 people in a month because of my YouTube videos, right? So again, if you want to learn how to recruit via YouTube, definitely make sure you check the link to my masterclass. I'm going to link it right below this video so that you can get into it and you can kind of check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. Now, the other way that I recruit is I also have built a brand online through social media. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to link for you how I've recruited hundreds of people right over here so you can see my exact step-by-step process on how I do actually end up closing these people that are interested in my business opportunity, right? So I build a brand and I want to make it very clear. I do not just wait for people to come in and just say on social media, hey, what are you doing, Julie, right? I leave that for YouTube. People will message me over on YouTube, but I do also build a brand over on social media and I provide a ton of value, and I show up in Messenger having conversations with people and I listen to people's pain points, right? So one way that I've been able to recruit hundreds, probably 1,000 people is because of my YouTube videos. And then the other is because of the brand that I've created mostly over on Facebook and the conversations that I have over on Messenger. And so I like to call it the $1 million messenger because it has helped me, build my business to the top because of, the brand that I've been able to create and the connections that I've been able to make. Now, I was a therapist long before I got started in this network marketing space, so I'm really good at listening to people. And one of the tips that I have for you is be more interested than interesting. And so when I have these conversations with people inside of Messenger, what ends up happening is I listen for pain points. I listen to people tell me, something that might be able to be solved because of my network marketing company. And I'm not afraid to ask them, hey, are you open to taking a look at what I'm doing if it doesn't interfere with what you're currently doing? If not, no big deal, right? So definitely make sure you write down those words. I think that they will help you significantly. They helped me. They helped me feel way less spammy than when I was just cold messaging people. So am I here to say that cold messaging doesn't work? No, I think cold messaging probably works, but I think that, for some, it doesn't seem like a viable option. And so I know for me, it did not feel right. So I'm going to say stop the cold messaging, start investing in yourself, in your marketing, in your brand, and definitely make sure you check out the video for YouTube, because I am telling you, YouTube has completely changed my business. I sell, onwards between $17,000 in personal sales because of my YouTube channel over here. I bring in business builders every single month because of my YouTube channel. So it has really helped me kind of automate my business. Yes, I have to show up and create videos, but it has done wonders for my business. And I'm probably one of the only network marketers who's actually taught YouTube and has had success implementing my strategies with the hundreds of people that have, invested in and learned about YouTube the way that I teach. So definitely make sure in the description of this video, you check it out. So if you are interested in learning more about how to recruit, I am going to leave at the end of this video another video that I have made for you that's going to help you build your business as well. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV, and we will see you next week.